Hello, my name is Thomas Sunesson. I live in Croydon. We recently had a loft conversion completed on our property. The house is about 100 years old. We knew that we needed to do some work on the roof. We obviously had, like many houses, we needed to insulate more, and it was just a great opportunity to resolve these issues, but also add more space, extra bedrooms and bathroom, and create a little bit more storage. We have lived in Croydon for 10, 15 years, and I've seen the LMB signs on many properties around here. When we decided to go down the route of having a loft conversion, I wanted someone that was around, that had been around for many years, and obviously not far from where we live, we have the LMB office as well. So it just gave us a lot of comfort knowing that it's a company that's been around for a long time. And they came in with a very good quote, and I think it was very easy to deal with them as well. It went very quickly from the time we had the offer in hand until they actually started the work. The main guidance that LMB gave us was with regards to the hip to barn conversion. It was something that we hadn't thought about before, but by doing that, it gave us significantly more space in the loft, and I think it was very helpful. At the very beginning of the project, absolutely, we had an architect, and they helped us with the lighting and to maximize the space up here in the loft. The construction was extraordinarily rapid. It was from the first day when the scaffolding guys came, they were finished the day after, and then the two main builders we had, they managed to do the main structure of the building within seven weeks, including plasterboards. I think it went really very quickly. One of the objectives of doing the loft conversion in the first place was to give the roof a very good look over, to insulate the house better, and it's certainly done that. We believe that the value of the house has gone up, but I think more beneficially to us now is that we have a lot more storage, and we have 2 extra bedrooms, an extra bathroom, which I think for the next couple of years will be very helpful to us. Overall, I think it's a very attractive loft conversion. When we were thinking about doing a loft conversion, I think we were very concerned and a little bit frightened about the dust and having the builders around and the disruption. But I think our experience was that the dust and the noise and the inconvenience of having the work was very limited. It's only when they're opening up the new staircase that you are seeing the dust. Apart from that, they come and go. They're very quick, and it was an unfounded fear for us. I think it was we had a very positive experience. We would absolutely recommend LMB. We found that the quality of the work was really excellent. The time it took was kept at a very minimum, and we are very happy with the end result.